Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the egg diet. The egg diet is a 10-day program that consists of eating eggs every day, 6 eggs a day, and having half a cup of oatmeal, and also carrots and cucumbers. The maker of this diet say that you can lose up to 22 kg in 10 days. I never lost 22 kgs in the 10 days because, to be honest with you guys, I never managed to finish the whole program. It took me over a year and I still never finished the 10-day program. Every time I would start, I would cheat. So the most I went on the program was 9 days. Was it 8 days or 9 days? And in that period, I lost a total of 15 pounds. I lost 15 pounds, which I was excited. That was the most weight I had lost in a short amount of time. And the good thing about it is I realized that I could not go that long on the egg diet. So I started doing like 3-day egg fasts, or I would do 3 days, 4 days, and whenever I couldn't, I would stop. And in the long run, I ended up losing 25 pounds, which really changed my appearance and everything. And I will insert pictures for you guys, as you can see. On the first picture over here, I had a lot of back fat because naturally with my body type, I'm an apple shape. So I put on weight like on my chest and on my midsection. My legs usually are the last parts of my body to put on weight. They rarely put on weight, to be honest with you. They will get a bit chunky, but mostly my midsection and my chest are the ones that have the most weight. So you can see, like, even on my back, like I was wider in the first picture over here. I was wider, and the second picture after, I was like 202 point something, 3 or 5. You can see the difference on how I had shrinked. I wanted to give you guys realistic pictures. I didn't want to give you pictures that were not realistic. I know it's embarrassing that I'm actually showing these pictures online, but guys, it is what it is. Everybody is struggling with weight, and me trying to lose weight has been the biggest struggle that I've had for the past 5 years, actually 6 years. Since I had my last born, it's just been so difficult for me to lose weight, and I'm now 32 years old and I'm really trying to get back. This is my year for me to lose weight. So what the egg diet consists of: in the morning you're going to have for me, I had oatmeal. So you have to work the plan to suit you. And everybody will tell you, oh, you have to be this and that. You have to make it so that it can suit you and you are able to be successful. For example, I do not like boiled eggs by themselves. I would never eat boiled eggs by themselves. So how I made it palatable for me, or so that I can eat eggs every day, I actually make my own concoction with mayo and spices like black pepper, red peppers, and black pepper with and then I would with Tabasco, and I would mix it together, and that would be like my spicy concoction with like a teaspoon of mayo per meal. And then I'll just kind of dip the egg in there just to make it palatable for me, and that worked for me. I know a lot of people will say that, well, you're not supposed to do that. I still lost weight, and you can see if you look at my previous video, I had really put on weight and it was really showing in the videos. But since then, I've been on this weight loss journey, and I credit all my weight loss to the egg diet, because if it wasn't for the egg diet, I don't think I would have lost the weight. So in the morning, I would have oatmeal. Initially, the creators say that you should have the oatmeal in the evenings, but for me, I can never have oatmeal in the evening because I always look at it as a breakfast item. So I always have my oatmeal in the morning, and then I'll mix it with yogurt, which is my other concoction, low-fat yogurt. I usually use Cabana because I love the taste. Is it Chobana? Sorry. I usually use Chobana, and that's the kind of yogurt I use. And then I'll just put like a tablespoon and mix it, which gives it a nice sour taste, like sour milk. I like that taste. And I would eat my oatmeal in the morning, and I'll have a cup of green tea, and then in the afternoon I would have my lunch, which would consist of 3 boiled eggs. I would slice them in the middle, and then I would slice an apple, because you're supposed an apple, and then I'll slice an apple, and then I would also have like a carrot, maybe a medium-sized carrot, dice it up and make my concoction. And if you want to see how my meals look like, you can just go on here. I have attached my video. I don't know if it's here or there, but either one of these, you'll see the link where I have my video. It's actually, that's where you can see how I eat, and I still ate the same way because that's what worked for me. And other people add stuff in their oatmeal, which is like raisins, blueberries, and stuff like that. I do not do all that stuff, so I felt like me putting just low-fat yogurt is not going to do any harm. And I made sure that my calories were up to 900 to 950. So in the evenings, you would have a repeat of your afternoon, your lunch, which is 3 eggs again, a carrot with cucumber, and 1 apple sliced. And you have a cup of tea with it, which is like green tea. If you do not like tea, I don't know. I'm a fan of tea. I love tea. I prefer tea to coffee. Because I can't deal with a lot of caffeine. So green tea was really good. Having tea, I enjoyed that. I would have a hot cup of tea anytime I wanted something. And green tea also helps curb your appetite, and it's also healthy, and it has a lot of antioxidants. So yeah, the egg diet in theory is easy because it's only 10 days, but guys, I will tell you, I struggled. For me to be doing this review over a year, that's a lot. That should tell you how difficult it was for me. You know, I would start, fail, and then I would pick myself up. And I was also embarrassed to present it to you guys because I didn't want you to think, oh, she can't commit to 10 days. But you know, I'm focusing on trying to do better with my programs and also trying to lose all the weight this year. So I was like, you know what, let me close the egg chapter, the chapter, because I had said I was going to post a review. So this is why I'm doing this, so that I can close this chapter and then I can do other programs as well. And yeah, guys, so would I advise people? Would I advise people to try the program? Yes, of course, please do. The egg diet is very good. It's healthy. You know, there are other diets like the military diet and the other one. Some of these diets are not really healthy, but the egg diet, you get everything in it. You get your fiber, you get your fruit, you know, you get your vegetables, and you get your proteins. Eggs have a lot of nutrition. They have a lot of proteins in them, and all the fat in it, as well as the green tea is also good for your health and all that stuff. It's also good for your health. So this diet is really a good diet. You know, it's one of the best, and I'm going to keep up with it. Like once I drop all my weight, it'll be something that I'll continue to use. Like for instance, if I gain like 5 pounds and I'm trying to lose 5 pounds, because it's easy for me to do, and it has proven to work. I'm also going to show you guys the results. So yes, I lost weight. I lost 25 pounds, which is yay, awesome. And I'm telling you, losing 25 pounds made a difference. It made a difference in my confidence. It made me feel good about myself. It helped me. My confidence, of course, went up, my self-esteem. And it also made me feel more comfortable to do other stuff, because I was just hiding, you know, wearing baggy clothes and stuff like that. You know, I kind of lost myself after staying with this weight for over 5 years or 6 years. You kind of lose yourself and your dress style and everything. So now I feel like I'm getting back to the old Royce, where I used to dress up and do all these other stuff and just take care of me in general and put me first. So yeah, guys, you should definitely try this program. And did I gain the weight back? I actually didn't gain the weight back, which is awesome, guys. I've done these other diets and I do gain the weight back, but as of now, I'm weighing 207.5, which is which is ridiculous, guys, that I haven't gained the weight back. And I haven't, and for me to go from 202 and going up, because I weighed 202.5, I don't know if 5 or 3, and I even have proof to show you guys. I don't know if you can see. How do I show you guys? I'll try and find a way to take a picture, but I do have the picture and the date. I do have a picture and the date of the time that I took the weight, that I stepped on the scale. Was when I was already in Germany, and I weighed 202 from the egg diet. So that was awesome, guys. That was January. We're in January, February, March, and that was January 28th. We're in April, guys, and I've only gained, I'm weighing 207.5. I only gained about 5 pounds, which is ridiculous, guys. And the reason I gained that 5 pounds is because I've been eating bad. I'll admit to that. Being in Germany here, Germany has got really nice bread, and I love their bread, and I don't get bloated from their bread, and I've just been going to town with it. I've been exploring food and eating as much as I want, but now I'm trying to get back on track and continue with my weight loss journey. So yeah, guys, I didn't put the weight back on, you know, like the way they did. I work out? Yes, I did work out. I was doing some full body workouts. I had joined the gym and stuff, like, so that helped like to shrink you, because I feel like your weight shows better when you're toning down. Before, I had lost like a lot of weight. That's why you can see on my back I have like the folds. Even if I had gone down, it's because I had lost so much weight at once, and I wasn't really working out, like, you know, to tighten my skin and stuff like that. But I learned that lesson, and I'm working on it now. So guys, this is the end of the video. I just wanted to give you a final review on the egg diet, and I think you guys should definitely try it. It's really a good diet. It works. The thing is that it actually does work, and you will lose a lot of weight. And if you guys would like to see my first egg diet, which is doing very well, it's almost about 20,000 views. I'll put it over here. You guys can just go to my channel, and you can see how I make my concoction as well if you want to try it, and everything, because in my video I have everything listed, and you see me making my oatmeal, and you see me, I'll show you what I eat in the morning and what I eat in the afternoon. It shows all the ingredients that you need to be successful on this diet. And I'm also going to link the original diet on the bottom in the description box, so that if you guys want to also look at that, you can go ahead and look at it. But guys, like I said, this is a very good diet, and please give it a try and you will not be disappointed. Look at me. And if you've tried the egg diet before, let me know as well, guys, so that you can tell me what you did and how much weight you lost as well. And if you have any further questions about this program, feel free to ask in the comment, and I'll make sure to respond to you. Thank you, guys. Thank you so very much for watching. And if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell, so that next time when I post another video, you'll be notified. And thank you so very much for watching. Bye-bye.